Hi folks, hope you're having a good day. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today we're going to take a look at these pomegranates that we transplanted over here. Now we'll move these. Now we just had a few freezes back to back. We're in zone 9B, Florida, and these don't seem to have been affected, probably because of the teepee that was over top of them, and they're in the subsurface, so they're below the surface. I don't think the temperature affected them nearly as badly as it affects everything that's above the surface. So you take a look over here. Yeah, they're doing okay. So I don't think we have anything to fear here. I think we're gonna get some trees out of these, or shrubby bushes anyway. Anyhow, don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps the channel out tremendously. Thanks for watching. And stay tuned, because I'm going to keep updating you on the progress of these pomegranates. Have a good day.